WordPress is an incredibly versatile and user-friendly platform that allows even beginners to create stunning websites. However, for power users looking to take their websites to the next level, there are many advanced techniques that can be employed. From customizing themes to optimizing performance, these techniques will help you harness the full power of WordPress. In this video, we'll show you 10 advanced techniques for power users. Number 10, performance optimization. Optimizing the performance of your website is crucial for providing a good user experience. Techniques like caching, minifying CSS and JavaScript, optimizing images, and using a content delivery network, CDN, can greatly improve the speed and responsiveness of your website. Number 9, multi-site. Do you want to manage multiple websites from a single WordPress installation? Multi-site is the solution. With multi-site, you can create a network of websites, each with its own separate content and settings. This is ideal for power users who want to manage multiple websites efficiently. Number 8, hooks and filters. Hooks and filters are powerful features of WordPress that allow you to modify or extend the core functionality of the platform. By using hooks, you can add or remove actions and filters at specific points during the execution of WordPress. This gives you full control over how your website behaves and allows you to make customizations without modifying the core files. Number 7, custom page templates. By creating custom page templates, you can define unique layouts and designs for specific pages on your website. This is useful when you want to have different styling or functionality for certain pages, such as a landing page or a custom archive page. Number 6, advanced custom fields. Advanced Custom Fields, ACF, is a popular WordPress plugin that enables you to easily add custom fields to your posts, pages, or custom post types. It provides a user-friendly interface for creating and managing fields, and allows you to display the data stored in these fields in your templates. ACF is a powerful tool for power users who want to extend the capabilities of their website. Number 5, custom plugins. Sometimes, the functionality you require for your website cannot be achieved solely through themes and existing plugins. In such cases, creating custom plugins becomes necessary. This allows you to implement specialized features and integrate third-party services to meet your specific needs. Number 4, custom fields. Custom fields allow you to add additional data to your posts, pages, or custom post types. This data can then be displayed and used in various ways. For example, you can add an extra field to store the author's bio or display custom data in templates or widgets. Number 3, custom post types and taxonomies. WordPress comes with built-in post types like posts and pages. However, power users can go beyond these defaults by creating custom post types and taxonomies. This is particularly useful when you want to organize content in a unique way or create specific sections on your website. Number 2, child themes. Building upon the previous technique, child themes allow you to modify an existing theme without affecting its core files. This is useful when you want to make changes to a theme, but still want to receive updates and bug fixes from the theme developer. With child themes, you can effortlessly override specific template files or add new functionality. Number 1, custom theme development. Custom theme development is one of the most powerful techniques for power users. By creating a theme from scratch, you have complete control over the design and functionality of your website. This allows you to create a website that truly reflects your brand and meets your specific requirements. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. Also, hit the bell icon so you could never miss new updates from us. Stay safe, and we will meet you in the next one.